Welcome to the Breadstone Ovens Company. Today we're going to be making baked cranberry brie. We have some puff pastry, a nice goat brie, we have a little bit of salt, rosemary, and some cranberry jam, as well as a little bit of olive oil. We're going to start by taking the brie and putting it inside the puff pastry. We're going to top it with the cranberry jam. We're going to put just a little dab of salt, and I'm going to close gently the puff pastry over the brie. And then with a sharp knife, we're going to do a little design. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil in the cast iron pan. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil, and we'll brush it as well. We're going to gently transfer it into the cast iron pan, and we're going to put it in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes at about 350 degrees. Okay, so we cooked our baked brie for about 18-20 minutes. We're going to add a little bit of the cranberry jam on top. We're going to finish it with a little bit of rosemary.